Hi folks, let's solve LeetCode 2 add two numbers. The problem is straightforward. Given two linked lists, return the sum of the linked list. So we need to return a new linked list. For example, 2 plus 5 is 7, 4 plus 6 is 0, and we have carry 1. So 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8. This is the first example. So first we get 7. Next we get 0, and we have carry 1. Next, we get 8. Since we have carry 1, 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. This is second example. So 9 plus 9 is 8. Then we have carry 1. And 9 plus 9 plus 1, we get 9. We also have a carry 1. Then we have the same. Well, when we at this point, we only have 9 and carry is 1, so we get 0. This is the same. At last, we have carry 1, so we need to append this 1. Let's see how to solve this problem. So the solution is pretty straightforward, but the hard part is how to write clean code. So there's a small trick in linked list problems. We can always create a fake head, and finally we can return the next element of this fake head. Like this, we create a fake head whose number is 0. And finally, we can just return fake head next. Okay. This for loop, as long as L1 is not none and L2 is not none, and or we have carry, we need to continue the while loop, since we cannot miss any element. First, we get a value from L1. If L1 is none, we use 0. Otherwise, we get the value from L1. Same for L2. So we have A, B. Then we sum A and B, and we also need to add the carry. Okay. Then the new carry is C divided by 10. The value of this node is C mod 10. Okay. So we can create a new list node. The value is 8. Okay, the next thing is we need to connect head with current node. So head next is current. Next, we move head to current. Okay. And we also need to move L1 and L2. If L1 is not none, we move L1. If L2 is not none, we also move L2. Okay, so after one iteration, the state becomes like this. So we just continue the process. Okay, next A is 9, B is 9, C is A plus B plus carry, so it's 19. So the new carry is also 1, but the value of this node becomes 9, and we also need to move L1 and L2. We just repeat this process. Okay, now after this iteration, L2 is none, so A is still 9, but L2, since it's none, so B is 0. C is A plus B plus carry. Carry is 1, so we get 10. But the value of this node becomes 0 since C mod 10 is 0. So carry is still 1. Okay, we just continue the process. Same. Okay, now after this iteration, L1 is non-pointer. L2 is also non-pointer. But the new carry is still 1. So we have one more iteration here. C is A plus B plus carry is 1, so the value of this new node is 1. But after this iteration, carry becomes 0. So in the next iteration, we find this condition does not hold. Since L1 is non-pointer, L2 is also non-pointer, carry is 0. So we will break this while loop. Finally, we just return fake head next, which is 8. This is what we want to get. Okay, this is the whole code. Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much.